day to all of you, especially to the teachers out there. This is Wency Flores, school head and a teacher for 19 years, going to 20 this March 2024. So this is all about how can you make a teachers happy, especially during this special month-long celebrations of teachers all over the world from September 5 to October 5. What makes a teacher happy? So, number one is of course you acknowledge or appreciate the effort. And of course, I'm really thankful for all the parents na talagang nagbigay ng nag-effort para magbigay ng gift. Not just gift, pero talagang tumulong sa course na sila yung parent ng teacher na yon. And of course, yung after appreciation is that, of course, pag may meeting, you are there. Pag may rabos, you are there. Especially here in the Philippines, ang rabos po ay, rabos is bayanihan or helping one another. Is without paying the people who did the labor that is here in the Philippines. So we are very thankful if there are people who not only donate something or items but also help in the labor without payment, because we are not so blessed with such a lot of money, because we are also using it for our family. So number 3 or the third one is that you can make a teacher happy by giving gift. Of course, it's a gift. This is on this special day. I know it's no to say to have this, to take the gift or accept the gift or ask for a gift, but on the special day, it's a special day for them. So yes, we are really glad to receive flowers and everything. Ano pa ba yun? Chocolates. Like, like a Valentine's Day. It's a Valentine's Day for us teachers and our World Teachers Day celebration. And the last one for me is to uplift, sabi nga in Japan, there is no Teachers Day celebrations, but then they have their own store. They have discounts in the stores, and also when there is someone nakaupo and the teacher is there, he stand and going to give the seat to the teacher. So of course we are going to feel special by that gesture. So thank you so much for making us special on the celebration of World Teachers Day in our school and in the division of Kamsuri. And of course, we have 1K for this, and that will be paid for the household expenses and for me sa therapy yun ng mother ko. Yes, thank you so much for subscribing to our channel and of course to the channel of my son. By the way, this is my son. Kinuha niya yung karanan na channel and he made it box. Box. Ano?
Itong argane, saka zero,
Yes.
argane, saka
So you invite
saka
them.
argane.
Sige, you invite them. Please subscribe. Go. Please subscribe to the channel of my son. Hello.
Box na yan ang mga aran ko, palitan
Okay,
ko.
thank you so much. Bye. Thank you so much for making us happy.